having a little rest because we are now in Rome. Tell everyone where we are? Huh? We're in Rome! So we're at the Pantheon, which is, one second, my lines are in front, which is a former Roman temple, now don't show the lines, now a church in Rome, Italy, on the site of the earlier temple commissioned by Marcus Agrippa. Everyone knows that. Then they Google.
Looking good, Gareth. Gareth and I were on our way to a place or an area in Rome called Cartier Copede. I'm not exactly sure about the pronunciation. Apparently it looks like a fairy tale. It's meant to be really nice, really chilled out. I cannot wait to experience this once we've survived
the roundabout
this.
onto Via Monte Giberto, then turn right onto the slip road to Via Monte Urano.
Yeah, once we've survived this car journey, fucking hell.
Ready? Cheers!
Try some.
Beep.
We've had the best time. Goes to the PlayStation. I finished Tomb Raider 2. Now we're here with the doggies. It's nighttime, which we're quite happy about because the ride here was crazy. It was honestly wild. Yeah. And in true Lisa fashion, I've got my bare shoulders out again. So some crazy old lady gonna come to me and call me disrespectful. Yeah, we're laughing, but we didn't laugh when that actually happened to us in Milan.
Yeah.
Guys, it's dark again, but this time it's actually the morning because Gareth and me got up.
Watch out, please.
Oh, sorry. Because Gareth and me actually got up at 5 o'clock. Because last time we went to see the Trevi Fountain, it was just so busy, we couldn't really see anything.
7 in the morning is still quite busy, but not too bad.
Gareth,
we're leaving the house.
It's happening, we're leaving the house. And not only are we leaving the house at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we are also leaving Rome. We're heading outside of Rome to go to a place called Tivoli. So very excited, my Instagram feed is going to be lit. Right, Gareth and we got here, alright. It's honestly stunning. Anyone that wants to get out of the city and wants to enjoy a bit of peace, come to Tivoli and hang with us. Okay, so the Villa d'Este was honestly amazing. I can only recommend it to anyone that is into fountains. And now we're just having a quick meal. And chef is so nice to cook me up a vegan bite, so I can have something to eat as well that is not a salad. The only thing is, if it starts raining now, it'll be very bad because we're like 5 minutes away from the car and wearing a white top. And also our parking ticket is going to run out eventually, so we have to go. I really hope the weather stays the way it is right now.
I think it'll be okay. I haven't seen a drop of rain for a long time.
Can't hear the clouds rumbling.
I don't know. I think there might be the kids with the trolleys. I saw a couple.
The most beautiful town ever in Calcutta. We've driven here today. It's about half an hour away, well 40 minutes away from Rome, and this lovely lady who is an artist in this town has just invited us to come and check out her goods and her jewelry and show us how she paints and stuff like that. So we're gonna have a look at her studios, and I might get a nice pair of earrings that I've just spotted. But yeah, it's just honestly a gorgeous, magical little village. If you have a car when you're in Rome, go and make the time to come here. Calcutta is really famous for its artistry. There's a lot of poets and artists coming here to paint and write and all sorts of stuff. So it's really impressive. It's got a hippie-ish vibe to it if you're into that kind of stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna have a look at the rest of her jewelry for now, and we'll catch you guys later. Lights up and down, push and down, push. Well, we thought we were gonna go out one more time, didn't we, Gareth?
Yeah.
But I think we overestimated ourselves a little bit, so we just stayed in and
just turn around, put him off. Get out of it! Get out of it!
We're just really tired. We've got a busy weekend ahead going to Naples, so we kind of just stayed in with the doggies. I've made some pizza, which we're going to have in a second, and yeah, just going to enjoy our last night here in Rome.
Come down into my lap. Come into my lap.
I don't know if I can sit down in these trousers. Spontaneous laughter.
Okay.
Look up now.
The zombie. Hey Daisy. The bus gang. The other direction, then you get the rhythm. So down and up. Back around here. Then down this way?
No, I can't. I don't do that.
Oh, okay. We are in Vatican, right?
Yeah.
Vatican City.
See.
Daisy, that's a girl.
Oh God, Daisy! Oh God!
Sei un cubo di carino. Cheers, me old mate.
So I'm here against my will.